This is Monday night, right out of Western Sydney. This is your 2020 Hot Rods Club Championship. Let's look at our races for tonight. Back in the winner's circle is Po Boy Racing from the US of A in the Way Too Fast. Last week saw him take the crown off Scorpio Love Smith driving for NZ Racing. Can Po Boy Racing in the Way Too Fast do the double tonight? Stay tuned. Going head-to-head against Po Boy is Toon Tracks Racing right out of Thailand. He's in the T-Bucket. We've never seen the T-Bucket on Mount Western Raceway. He has the pace, he has the goods. We've seen him in practice. Good luck, gentlemen. May the best man win.
Race 1.
Po Boy Racing gets his first win out of race 1. The T-Bucket with Toon Tracks driving is right behind him. This is going to be a close call, folks.
Race 2. Winner! Toon Tracks Racing in the T-Bucket. Oh, a little bit of a kiss there.
Toon Tracks Racing squares everything up out of race 2.
Race 3. Is Po Boy Racing alright?
He's a right MC. Po Boy 2-1 out of race 3.
Race 4. Winner! Toon Tracks Racing in the T-Bucket. Oh, that was a big hit. Can we get a medic? Can somebody get a medic, please? And a tow truck.
These guys are full on tonight, all tied up out of race 4.
Race 5. Toon Tracks Racing in the T-Bucket. That was a big upset.
I've said it before, never a dull moment here on MWR. Toon Tracks Racing with a 3-2 out of race 5. Toon Tracks Racing in the T-Bucket scores another win right here on Hot Rods. And here's your top 8. There you go. Toon Tracks Racing driving the T-Bucket is in the top 3. Very, very close right up the top there. Let's wrap it up. This is top of race 1, and what an upset this has been tonight. Po Boy comes out very fast. He floors it down the back here. He goes up high, and I thought he was gone. Does the 360. Here comes Toon Tracks in the T-Bucket. Left his charge too late. I'm surprised how well that T-Bucket races on Mount Western Raceway. And an easy win for Po Boy out of race 1. This is top of race 2. Po Boy goes out hard again and hits the side. Slams does a 360. Toon Tracks Racing seizes the opportunity, gives him a nudge, just slides past him right there, crosses the line for his first win. Look at him, he's just cruising. Yeah, no worries, mate, I'll get there in my own time. Interesting racing right here on Mount Western Raceway. Let's head into race 3. Here's Po Boy, no problems, he's got the power, that big twin engine right up the front. Look at this, swings down low, he hasn't got a care in the world. Just get me across the line and give me the win. But check this big hit out. Whack! Toon Tracks Racing just slams him. This is race 4 and things are heating up. Toon Tracks just has this perfect line out of turn 1. He just hugs the side rail there. Goes up high, and that's how you race on Mount Western Raceway. Look at him floor it. Almost goes over, but crosses the line, and check this big hit out. Whoa! Right up. That's one of the best hits I've seen in a long time. This is race 5, and I believe both drivers and cars are completely rattled. I don't know what's going on. Coming out of turn 1, they're neck and neck. Po' Boy just slides in front of the T-bucket, and you think from here he's got this. No problems. I think the nerves are getting the Po' Boy because right here he hits the embankment, almost does a 360. Two Tracks Racing sees the opportunity and crosses the line, and he takes out his third win right here on the 2020 Club Championship Hot Rod. Here he is, Two Tracks Racing in the T-bucket, holding that cup up high. A big thank you to Po' Boy Racing in the Way Too Fast. We'll see you on the track very soon in a new Hot Rod. Coming up next Thursday night, all the way from Tassie, Australia. This is the first time for these guys on MWR. This is Metal Mania 3D and the Diecast Workshop. They're driving the Zuru Metal Machines. This is one fast-paced car that will take on anyone on Mount Western Raceway. Catch you later.